Did you catch that breakthrough where they grew fully functional hair follicles in the lab? It's like
Yep,
it's like a total game changer for restorative medicine.
absolutely. They managed to create follicles that, get this, naturally cycle through growth phases, right?
Yeah, exactly. And the cool part is that they topped off the usual recipe, epithelial stem cells and dermal papilla cells with this third helper cell type, an accessory mesenchymal cell. That
Right.
extra cell seemed to be the missing link in connecting the follicle to the underlying tissue.
So it's like they finally figured out how to put the follicle together in a way that it works properly, even in vitro. Interesting that until now, previous efforts could only transplant them into mice for real function.
Yes, precisely. Before, the lab-grown follicles just wouldn't grow or attach on their own. But with this three-cell configuration, they actually go through the natural cycle, kind of like how your hair naturally grows and sheds.
Right, exactly. But don't you think it's a little premature? I mean, the study was done in mice, so how much can we really apply these findings to human treatment for baldness?
Good point. The researchers even caution that human trials are still pending. Yet the method points to new avenues for organ regeneration, not just for hair, but potentially for other
Yeah,
tissues.
interesting. It almost seems like they're using hair, of all things, as a model for regenerative medicine. Is that really the most promising approach, though?
Well, think of it this way. Hair follicles are among the easiest organs to observe cycling behavior, so they serve as a great window into how epithelial and mesenchymal interactions work. Plus, this technique could, in the future, help us engineer other organs by figuring out the right cellular choreography.
That's true. It's like, if you get the dance steps right for hair, then you might be able to apply similar moves to other systems, maybe heart tissue or liver cells eventually.
Exactly. And one of the researchers mentioned that this foundational cellular setup represents a significant contribution to organ morphogenesis. In other words, it might be the blueprint for future regenerative treatments.
Yep, indeed. There's also an interesting twist where some of the work was tied to a company looking to commercialize hair restoration. That connection could speed up, moving from lab bench to clinical application, don't you think?
It might, yeah, but we need to be cautious. Translating findings from mice to humans won't be instantaneous. Still, it's a bold leap forward.
Absolutely. I mean, imagine a future where hair loss isn't just a cosmetic issue, but a demonstrative success of regenerative biology.
Right on, it's like solving a tiny puzzle that reflects larger challenges in medicine. This breakthrough sets the stage for more precise cellular engineering and maybe even broader applications in tissue regeneration.
Fascinating stuff. It's so exciting to think about what comes next. Innovations like these really underscore the potential of combining fundamental biology with advanced bioengineering techniques.
Totally agree. There'll be hurdles ahead, but every step like this is a significant move towards not just combating baldness, but redefining how we approach regenerative medicine as a whole.
Yeah, definitely.